Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage here. Oftentimes people come to me for second opinions on what they are told their car needs, and I'm going to check one out right now after this. Okay, so the vehicle I'm bringing in today is this nice little Honda Fit over here. And we're going to check it out and see what it might need that they were told it needs. All right, everyone, so we got a 2015 Honda Fit here. The people have been told that they need rear brakes. They got to have the drums machined. They have a loose left front stabilizer link. They need a cabin air filter and an engine air filter. We're going to check it out and see if they actually need that. Okay, so I just pulled the air filter out of this Honda Fit. This filter could stand to be replaced. I've seen worse, but yeah, they could definitely use a air filter. And I have spoke about air filters before, how important it is to keep these clean, to keep the small particles of dirt from entering your engine. Okay, I pulled a cabin air filter out of this vehicle, and it does have signs of rodent activity. I mean, this filter doesn't look like it was replaced that long ago. But it does have mice poop in it. I did knock this out a little bit. But vehicles, especially that sit in the country, are more susceptible to rodent infestation. So in this vehicle, you're going to look up in here and you're going to see that door right there? That's a recirculation door. And this is on fresh right now, but if you shut that door, you put this on recirculate on any vehicle, it's going to deter the rodents from getting in your car. You might want to give that a shot before you're charged a lot of money to screen the entry ports. The mice get in your car. They are very persistent. They will get in the smallest of places. So best thing you can do is try and drive your car every day. They won't make it their home. All right, they were told that they need stabilizer links on this vehicle, and they said there's play in this link right here, and I've shaken this thing 6 ways to Tuesday, and I cannot find any play in there. And it's understandable with only 54,000 miles in the car, so there's nothing on the other side as well. Okay, here we are. I have the brake drums off of this little car, and I'm looking at the rear brakes, and they were told that they need rear brakes, and I'm not seeing that. I'm not even seeing them about half worn yet. So let's see here. We got 4:30 seconds. I mean, there's plenty of meat left in it. This vehicle only has 54,000 miles on it. Let's go over to the other side and see what that looks like. It only has 54,000 miles on it, and this does not need rear brakes. They said that the drums needed to be machined too. There's no real grooving on those. Of course, if you do replace the shoes, you should machine the drums, but I'm not seeing any urgency on changing the rear brakes in this car at all. Matter of fact, same one of these vehicles, I did the first set of rear brake shoes on it. I think it had 150,000 miles on it. But anyway, if you're ever a little bit leery about what you need to have done on your car, second opinions are not a bad idea. Until next time, I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good night.